There are children that fly with the trees. There are voices for the people who need this plea. They wanna be in this place.
Seriously, why don't you have your own YouTube channel for this?